Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have my Easter pocket letter to share with you. This is from the, this is for a swap for the Easter extravaganza. So it's several items and including a flip book that's from a different, or is in a different video, as well as tags, embellishments, ATC cards, and paper clips that are in another video. So I went ahead and I have tied my pocket letter with some of the yellow ribbon. I've gifted one of the cards from my Bunnies and Chicks, or Bunnies, Chicks, and Kids. This one's from the Bunnies and Chicks digital kit that's in my Etsy shop, and I've used my digital kits for this pocket letter. So I've also used one of the little egg doilies and put it around just to make it kind of pretty. I've tied some of the egg ribbon here, added a paper clip with a little egg charm that I made out of an eraser. So open it up, and this is the pocket letter. And you can see I've used my antique postcards throughout. And what I did is, these ones are printed, the 4 postcards. So you get 4 postcards, image for 4 postcards in your digital kit. And I have taken and I've copied it. For the ones that are this size, I've copied 2 5x7s. So I told my printer, told my printer I wanted 2 5x7s of the 4 images. So, and actually I used these, but this size, so you get the 4 3x5s for these 4 that are on the outside. So that's what I've done here. So for the first one, I have yellow paper that I had in my stash. These were 6x6 pieces that I had cut out, and then I went ahead and I made from those 6x6 pieces, I went ahead and cut them into ATC cards. So with a 6x6 paper, I'm able to cut 3 ATCs out of a 6x6 paper. So what I do is, first I go to the 3.5 mark and I cut it, and that leaves me 2.5. And then I come back and I cut 2.5 2 times. And you may have seen me do this before. And so then we have this little strip that is a scrap. And then I come back and I cut this 2.5. It's 2.5 this way. And I cut it at 3.5. It gives us a 3rd ATC card and a 2.5 by 2.5 square. And so that is one way that I'm able to use up my 6x6 pads. And so what you'll see is, for this one, I've used an ATC card here, an ATC card here, and the square here. I used the 3 ATC cards for the backs of these pages here, and then 2 and 2. And that's one of the ways I like to do mine, my pocket letters, is that way they're all kind of cohesive. So I've used one of the hearts from out of my stash. I used it here, and I've also attached the heart down here. I've used one of the cards from the digital kit here, added some bling bling bling. This cute little chick that's coming out of the egg, I thought that was fun because he was too. And then this is an egg from my sticker sheet, that's the bears that are in the bunny suit. So here I have the little girl. This is from the Kids and Bunnies. Excuse me. These are the Kids and Bunnies and Chicks collection. These 4 here are from that collection, and these 4 are from the Bunny and Chicks collection. Okay, so here I've added, we have the funny little bunny, so I just added a little chick and the 3 dots here. So this one, again, from the Bunny and Chicks collection, added a egg sticker and a chick. We have the Easter from the confetti from Target, a pink flower, a daffodil, and some lace, and the 3 dots. Here we've added one of the cards from the Kids Bunnies and Chicks collection. Some eggs, or an egg from these are the stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby, by the way. All these, the little chicks and the eggs. And then, so we have the chick and the egg and the dots. And here's the Happy Easter. This is some vintage ribbon that I have in my stash. And, oh wow, look, it's getting to the end. I've had this for so long. It's from Michael's. Wow. I've had that forever. I like to buy ribbon that has words on it like this, and I'm just able to cut it. This is an acetate ribbon, so it's really flat. It doesn't add any bulk or anything. I have a daffodil here, and some more of the stickers. And again, this was the ATC card with the square from when I cut out the purple. Here we have the little hen, and she's part of the Little Girls Bunnies and Chicks collection. And you get 1 vertical orientated sheet of stickers or postcards, and 1 horizontal, and for each of those collections. So you get 8 postcards plus 4 backs of the postcards in those collections. And I don't know what I've done with the real things. Oh, I know. They're out on the table because I was taking pictures for the Etsy. Okay, so down here we have another one of the little horizontal ones. We have the butterfly from the, let's go to the little bears sticker sheet. Some more, another egg, confetti, lace, and the flowers. So you can kind of see, excuse me, that I have a theme going on. I've used some of the little chickie stickers and the dots and the flowers to make it all cohesive. So that is the pocket letter. And what do we use for a pocket letter? This is what I use. I get them at my $1.49 store for 99 cents. You get 10 sheets. And they're baseball trading card holders. And you can get these on Amazon and all the different places. But I like to support my local little store. So, so I do that. It would also make really cute, like a scrapbook page too. Because if it's made to hold baseball cards, it's going to be archival quality and acid-free and all that, because they don't want those to get bad. So they're really, the fun thing, I love making making a pocket letter. I really love filling the back. So this time I went ahead and my recipe called for a little notes. So I made a little tiny, basically almost like a junk journal. It has some note paper, and there's note papers in the center and a couple pockets with some tickets, some of that Easter confetti there. A cute little bunny, and this is from one of those note papers. There's an extra ATC size paper right there. Have a couple of the felt bunnies and a paper clip that has the egg ribbon. Here has heart and some really pretty mint colored tickets. Peeps, that was out of my stash. Some of the little gold frolicking bunnies that came from the confetti from Target, and one of the Happy Easters. Here you get a cup of tea and a teacup. Here you get some washi tape, some more of the ribbon, some bling, and some of the little pearls. You're going to get some of the stickers, some little Easter stickers. Down here you get the little bunny tail sticker and some of these puffy stickers. Here I've gifted some of the little images like I had used on the front, and a couple of tags, and that's another ATC size paper, and you're going to get a set of the cute little Let's Go to the Hot Bunnies. So this is the pocket letter that I made for the Easter extravaganza and Swap All About It. And again, I used my new digital kits that are in my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. You can find the address for that down below. Swappers Corner is a Facebook group where it's all about swapping, and it's really a lot of fun. And that's how I met a lot of my crafty friends. So find something to celebrate every day. What was your favorite? What was your favorite? What little fun little thing would you like to see in a pocket letter? Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.